Boot Mi Box S directly to a custom launcher. Automatically launch an app at startup. Hold voice button and say Open Google Play Store. Search and install Sideload Folder. Open it and find your IP address. Now open Settings, System, About and tap Android TV OS build for 7 times. In Developer Options, turn on USB debugging. Start GTV Toolkit on Windows PC. Connect to your Google TV's IP address. Click Switch to Custom Launcher. Press Home button to test if your launcher is changed to Sideload Folder. You may need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi on some devices. Reboot your TV and test. Hold OK button and set an app to auto launch. Reboot again to test. Wait for 20 seconds before app auto launch. In this demonstration, I successfully made the Google TV to boot to a photo slideshow app and start the slideshow.